In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Bumble account. Let's jump right in. To delete your Bumble account, first open the Bumble mobile app, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom left of your screen to access your profile. Next, you have to click on the gear icon at the top right corner to go to your settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find the Delete Account section. Tap on it. Now you'll be presented with options for why you're deleting your account, such as found in a relationship, billing issues, dissatisfied with service, or others. Choose the appropriate option. Finally, click on Delete Account to confirm, and sometimes it will ask you to type on Delete to ensure that you're really confirming the deletion of your account. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.